आं मोजां रुनिल देबबर्मा काइटननि मुङै सोमायथाङै साजावो आं भारत एलमबागनि बिसिंथि खाजाक केरंनो पयत गुबै तै खरब बङै साजावो आं भारतनि फान खोफ्लाय तै गोथालाय मुंनो नायकलै तनुनाय आं त्रिपुरा ट्राइबल एरियाज अटोनोमास डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल नि चारिबां आदं अक्रानि सामुंनो जतनि बागैनो तांनाय भारतनि एलमबाग तै केरंनि बिसिंथि किरिमा गोरै क्लाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजाकमा एबा चाजागिया खलाय एबा केबो खरकसा बाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामु तांग्ला आनी थानी याफारजाक हांकर ककचाप नकनी चारिफां आदो अक्रानी बारजानो नांगुई नांयावै केबोनी बोखाक फुनुगै एबा हुइजागै सामु तांग्ला हामबाय जतो
आं मोजां चंद्र कुमार जमातिया बाबा गरियानि मुंतै समायताङै साजागो आं भारत एलमबागनि बिसिंथै खाजाक केरंनो पयत गुबै तै खरब बङै साजागो आं भारतनि फान खोफ्लाय तै गोथालाय मुंनो नायकलै तांनाय आं त्रिपुरा ट्राइबल एरियाज अटोनोमास डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल नि चारिफां आदंनि सामुंनो जतनि बागैनो तांनाय भारतनि एलमबाग तै केरंनि बिसिंथै किरिमा गोरै खालायै एबा बाक्सानो चाजाकमा एबा चाजागिया खालाय एबा केबो खरकसा बाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुं तांग्लाक आनी थानी याफारजाक हांकर ककचापनि चारिफां आदंनि बरजानो नांयागै केबोनी बोखाक फुनुगै एबा हुइजागै सामुं तांग्लाक जतनो खुलुमखा हामबाय
The provision of Rule 166A of the TTADC Council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, which I shall read. The Chief Executive Member and other executive members of the Executive Committee of the District Council formed under Rule 157 shall, before entering upon their respective offices, be administered the oath of office and of secrecy by such authority as may be determined by the governor according to the form set out for the purpose. His Excellency the Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue order under the provision of Rule 166A that Srimati Sankri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura, is authorized to administer the oath of office and of secrecy to the Chief Executive Member and other executive members of the Council. Now, I shall request Madam Secretary Law, Government of Tripura, to come on the stage to administer the oath of office and of secrecy to the Chief Executive Member and other executive members of the Council. I shall call upon the newly elected Chief Executive Member and other executive members to take oath of office and of secrecy to the Constitution of India. Now, I shall call upon Sri Runiyal Debbarma, elected Chief Executive Member, to come on the stage for oath of office and secrecy.